Hi guys, it's Massimo, your community manager at King West, and this is my recipe. You can easily find all these ingredients at the grocery store, for example City Market that is just one block away from our King West center. Pancetta, cheese, very important, Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino Romano. Also the cream, that again is not really in the traditional recipe though. Cook your pancetta. Some magic here, some magic there. Mix well together. And when the pancetta is ready, save the oil and you can add the cream. Cook your pasta, and when it's ready, turn the heat off, and then you can add the rest of the ingredients. Just make sure to stir very well and quickly. And your perfect Italian carbonara is ready.